Greetings of the day. I'm Ganesh, hacking this weekend with Geeta and Yashwardhan. This is our demo video for the project Contracts submitted to Rookie Hacks 2 2022. This weekend, following the theme of the hackathon, we decided to build on Solidity and Hedera. With expense split apps such as Splitwise, GoDutch gaining massive popularity among college students, rentals, small organizations, we had this idea to build out something that would use the more powerful and secure blockchain compared to a centralized database. The immutability of blockchain would allow us to store data without the fear of it being tampered. Moreover, the flexibility to add our own features and expense split systems was awesome. On the front-end side of things, we have a web application that is built with the stack Next.js, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. We designed the web app to look as similar to the official Hedera website as we could. The color scheme and gradient were all matched. The web app allows the user to create an account to log into an existing one. Once logged in, the dashboard is the place where you can check the logged expenses. In the cards that you see here, it shows my expenses with my peers. As we designed this to exist as an expense splitter and logger between two people instead of groups, this shows my association with people. Additionally, on the right hand side of things, you can see the Hedera Explorer where we were using hashscan.io to check our logs. So here you can see the crypto create account and the call function. Moving on, additionally, we have the option to add expenses here. Here's a quick demo of adding a new household stuff expense between me and Geeta, who has the username Gap. Then you can just enter the amount and just click on save, and you can see that the expense has been updated as household stuff between me and Geeta. Next, moving on to the smart contract side of things, we created a simple smart contract called Maruti 800 built with love using Solidity and Hedera. Here we have four major functions: to add users, get data of existing users, to add debit, and to add credit. This is a local deployment that you see here within the Remix IDE. We have deployed the contract over Hedera using Dragon Glass Explorer. The smart contract is where the logic side of things is handled. There's another smart contract called Split Fool. This is a pseudocode representation of how one can build expense monitor with the help of Solidity. Among all the explorers that we tried on Hedera, we feel Dragon Glass is one of the best. It allows us to view our deployed contracts using contract ID, and we can see a success message whenever we send the data to the contract. We ran into our first challenge here, as the contract deployment on Hedera was something that we tried for the first time. Additionally, I'll just move on to the Yarn package manager that we use here to update the smart contracts and made the scripts that allow us to deploy the smart contract over Hedera. So here I'll just put in the Yarn build, and once the Yarn is done building, you can see the Solidity files that we have, that is split full and expense split. Then we just go to expense split, and then it just shows the details of it. So yeah. The first thing that you see here, the error that is titled as SPDX license identifier, is a warning, so we can just ignore it, and once it's done building, you can see that we have the data here. That was our project for the weekend. Thank you.